Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have a Do Not Disturb mode, assuming it is added by default, and it looks like it is on the second page. So once you see this toggle, you can hold it. This will then bring up this kind of option for a certain period of times. We can tap on details, which will then take us to settings, and in here we can customize how the mode will function. So I'm going to only touch upon a couple of the options right here that will have a little bit more impact. So number one, this will be calls and messages. Here you can select who can call you and message you, with an additional option for repeated callers. If someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. Now going back, we have schedule. There's one pre-made called sleeping. You can turn that on or off, edit it if you want to, and you can obviously add your new ones, which will allow you to select days of the week and start and end time. And then for how long, it defines on what will happen when you select that. It will define what will happen when you press on the button. So this I recommend selecting on a timer if you tend to enable your Do Not Disturb mode just occasionally on like some random events, which probably will result in you forgetting about it, which at least that would be my case. So I would personally set it up myself for something like 4 hours, and when I enable it, just to showcase this, once I enable it and even forget about it, it will automatically turn off itself after 4 hours, which is a pretty handy thing to have set up. And obviously you can turn it off yourself before that time runs out by just simply tapping on a toggle once again. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.